Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, this is a Samsung Galaxy A50 phone. You can see it's touch not working. It's frozen. You know it cannot open the battery. So today I'll show you how to fix this problem. You have here is the power button and this one the volume minus button. You have to press these two buttons together 10 seconds or 15 seconds. After you can see your phone is restart. And now I hope it will be work. Guys, you can see your phone is working. You can see guys, if your phone A50, A30, A10, A20, 21, 20s, 51, 71, if hang like this, not working, its touch is not working, is frozen, you can restart your phone without remove the battery. Press the power button and press the volume minus button together for 10 or 15 seconds, and then you can see your phone is auto restart, and you can see your touch is working. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for new video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Golden Nanotech, and I will upload more video, helpful video for you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. See, it's working. It's working now. Very good. See, it's working.